Now, celebrities are reacting to the cancer diagnosis of Alex Trebek. Raquel Villanueva has the details at the moment.
Jeff, stars and former Jeopardy contestants are showing their support for Alex Trebek after he revealed he has cancer. Fellow game show host Pat Sajak from Wheel of Fortune tweeted, "There is no one I know who is stronger and more determined, and I would never bet against him." And Ken Jennings, who holds the record for winning 74 games in a row on the show, says Alex is very much aware of how much he means to millions of people and how we will be pulling for him. I hope that's a comfort. And Katie Couric, who lost her sister to pancreatic cancer, phrased it in the form of a question: a courageous man who is determined to beat this terrible disease with the help of family, friends, and prayers from around the world. Who is Alex Trebek? Everyone here at DBL is rooting for you.
Absolutely, Raquel. I think you said it all. We'll be right back.